General Hospital will be right back after these messages. Oh, come on! We were just about to get to the part where Rebecca finds out that Joseph has been cheating on her with Lacey. Out of all these days, does the TV have to go off like this? Come on. Seriously? Oh, man. That's because the lightning struck up the power lines. Oh, man, I hate being in the dark, especially after Marcus and the Cat Sisters trapped me in the dark, cold closet back in the orphanage. Oh, this is so bad. Take it easy there, Catrina. You're here with me and our friends. Oh. Thank goodness we packed up some candles before we left the Mystic Ruins. Let's get them, Tails. Okay. That's better. Way better if you ask me. Now, how are we gonna know what's gonna happen in General Hospital? Yeah, now that the power is down, we can't turn on the TV. Don't worry. I packed my portable radio before we left home. It has every single soap operas, comedy skits, and music station. It also has the same station that has General Hospital. That way, we'll be able to listen to it and imagine the actions in the scenes. Oh, great idea, Lavinia. You're a lifesaver, Vinny. Joseph! How could you? How could you date Lacey behind my back? It's not easy, Becky. I've been in love with your sister for so long, I just couldn't resist her. I won't hesitate to kick you out of my house. Hey, wait. Can I borrow your shampoo? Does it answer your question? Ooh. Dang, did Becky just show her man who's boss. This must be the part where Lacey and Rebecca get into an argument. Rebecca, I'm sorry. He just couldn't get his eyes off of me, so I needed to give him a piece of my mind by having a romantic date with Joseph instead of Brad. Brad is such a loser. I don't deserve to be with a guy like him. Lacey, you are such a tramp. Well, you're the firstborn tramp. Whoa, talk about a family affair. Yeah, I can easily imagine Brad coming in and finds out that he loves Jessica. Lacey, I'm actually in love with Jessica. Wait, what? See, I told you. This almost reminds me of the Phantom of the Opera. Can somebody call cheaters up in this here? Up right here? Can somebody call cheaters up in here? Good, Brad. I was planning on breaking up with you because I'm pregnant with Joseph's baby. What? Joseph? My sister's pregnant with your baby. What do you have to say to yourself? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, man. Talk about tragic. But is Lacey sure that the baby is Joseph's? If not, then they should take this to Maury. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah.